Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to RoboThought Zero to Hero series Python machine learning on the edge. Alright guys, we are on lesson number 40, marker method in Python Matplotlib for machine learning. What is a marker method? So basically you can use the keyword argument excuse me. It's a method or an argument called marker, marker. This is basically to emphasize each point with a specified marker, each point which you are going to plot using Matplotlib in Python. This marker argument, the method is going to basically emphasize on each point, and you can play around and you can visualize in a different way, right? So let me show you an example in the IDE, in our Visual Studio IDE using Jetson Nano, and I am going to show you how to use the marker function. Alright, now what we need to do, let's import matplotlib dot pyplot, okay, dot pyplot as plt and space enter, and let's say import our number pi, which is numpy, as np as an alias and space enter. And now let's define our y points. Say y points equals np dot numpy dot array. Let's create a short array in a square bracket, say 3, 8, 1 and 10. All right, just a short one. And then let's plot plt dot plot. This is the method we will be using, this is the function. And then what we need to plot, we need to plot y points, okay, comma, and then you need to call the function called marker, marker, and you can define the marker as, say, O in a bracket, O, okay, not 0, O. Alright, now let us show the plot, plt dot show function. Let us use the show method to show the plot, and let us see how this looks like. Alright, let me try to run this program and see how it looks. Right click, I have trouble in the right clicks always. Right click, run Python file in terminal, and there you go. Our friend, as usual, he's trying to play hide and seek with us. The plot was hiding behind, I just dragged in to the front. Let me make it little bigger. Can you see that, guys? Can you see the marker function, how it works? It's exactly marking on that particular indicated point as 3, 8, 1 and 10. Yes, there you go. This is the way it works, guys. And we can also actually, using the marker function in this O here O, instead of just leaving it blank, we can put some text as well to indicate that this point number 8 in this O is equivalent to, say, 100 motorbikes, something like that. You can put any text and you can indicate that, and that we can do it in the Python code itself. That is how it works. Alright guys, that's it for this lesson, and I'm going to be back soon in the next one. Until then, see you. Do give me a thumbs up and a like. Bye bye.